I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin tomorrow. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Hit that like button too. Let's go. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin booming. Nice bounce out of Bitcoin. Talked about this idea yesterday. This could make us rich if Bitcoin does this. It's trying to play out here. Bitcoin breaking. So Bitcoin lost this key $40,000 support level. Now, again, this is a 12-hour candle, but essentially the daily is going to be in the same spot. Daily candle close above this level would be a step in the right direction, no doubt. We're going to zoom into some of the lower term time frames, but bulls showing up here. So we look at the 4-hour chart. So Bitcoin broke to the downside of this rising wedge, 68% chance this happened, and then double bottom, boom, goodness, huge. The bulls showed up today. I mean, this had to happen. Now, not out of the woods yet, but things look better than they did at this pullback. Yesterday's video, we talked about this exact situation. And then we were looking for this double bottom, boom, bulls need a higher high. Exactly. Talked about this exact situation. Here it is, right? Now, the double bottom measured move up here at 41,700. That's the measured move. It's not, I picked this number. Again, you want to see the bulls hold this level and then continue higher. You know, the bulls still have work to do, right? I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, deciding to join your group was the best decision I've made in my life. When I started the group, I only knew what a red candle and a green candle means. Now my portfolio is up 24,000%. That's 240x. If you started with $10,000 and you 240x your portfolio, that's like 2.4 million bucks. You turned 10,000 into 2.4 million. That's what this guy did in 8 months. 8 months. This is huge. He says, I thank you for all you do, and you made me a good trader. This is a life skill. This is not, hey, let me make 20% gains or 30% gains. This is, I can control my future forever. Check out my trading group. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups there is, period. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. Look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. These are some of the recent winners we've had: 47% gains, 115%, 87%, 41%, 69%, 314%, 42%, 53%. So I posted a setup on Twitter earlier, and he said it played out already just because it moved like 5%. And I'm thinking, I remember getting ticked off when I didn't load up on Ethereum at 85 bucks. Right? I ended up loading up at 150, 200, 225, 300. Right? Is it already played out if you didn't buy at 85 and it 2 or 3x'd? This only went up 5%. Remember, the big money is not in the buying and the selling, but in the waiting. If you want to be a holder, hold the uptrends. That's fine. This market, we're about to talk about what's happening with these altcoins. These altcoins are cycling higher. We've been talking about this. This is amazing money being made. You got to go big. Heard, they don't catch the bottom. Like they don't see this stuff happening before it happens. And it's been playing out, right? It's been playing out. And so we're going to go through some of these ideas and some setups for you guys in towards the end of the video. Ethereum burned. Imagine this. Ethereum hard fork, London hard fork upgrade completed. 170 Ethereum are gone forever over the last hour. Total burned 2,778 Ethereum gone forever. Gone, burned. These are gone. This is deflationary. You know how bullish this is for Ethereum? This is huge. ELA. Listen, if you guys have Kucoin setups, so every time I post a setup on Kucoin, The win rate is ridiculous. I waited on ELA for like a week. I have 2-3 trading stations set up with a couple monitors all through the house. And I sat and watched this, and weighed, as soon as I posted it, boom, 24% gains in one day. Like as soon as I posted it, moon mission, right? And there's still potentially more upside. This is DeFi perp. And so the most important thing you can understand on a daily basis is where is the money flowing, right? If there are 5 setups that you're watching and you see DeFi perp is moving, that's a good indicator that DeFi is on fire. And so you got this double bottom that's confirmed. The measured move here, this is just the start of DeFi altcoin season, potentially, as long as it stays above this level. As long as Bitcoin acts decent. If Bitcoin just stays in a range, DeFi summer is here. Do not miss these huge opportunities. If I'm talking about these altcoins and you're not able to trade, make an account on BolsaDX. Only an email is needed. You can trade all these coins. A lot of people in the US are like, I can't, Sure, yeah, now you can. True. Look at these. DeFi is banging. You got to figure out where the money's flowing and then watch these coins. Think about it. The herd's what are they going to do? They're going to go to the top gainers in the exchange, and they're going to FOMO into the big top gainers. Like these coins continue to move. You don't want to buy the top. You want to buy in pullbacks. You want to take profits. The herd doesn't know any of that. They don't do it, right? True, up 274%. FIS, which is a setup I had posted. Look, it's a $23 million market cap. It's a micro cap. Look at True. It's an $88 million coin. Keeper, $28 million. OM is $63 million. These are Badger. I had that set up. $33 million. And IDEX, CVP. These are all micro caps and small caps. You want to hit the multiples? You want to hit life-changing money quick? Trade the small and micro caps. That's how people get rich very quick. And so again, DeFi is banging. Understand that. Look at FIS. I posted it yesterday, August the 4th, right? Support bounce would be good, but breakout of this confirmation line based on this level. Like whenever you have a major retrace and it bounces, that's a key level, right? That's a key level. So when the price action does break this, this is reverse the trend level. This is strong support, which makes it strong resistance. And here it was rejected, right? You guys see that? And so you're going to get a major move when this level is broken. It hasn't been able to do it here or here, right? FIS, 145% gains in a day. This is an anomaly though, right? You can't expect these large cap coins to do this. It took Uni to get 35% out of Uni. It took 11 days, 10 days, right? Still solid gains as long as you're making money. The key to success is not losing money. Rule number 1 is never lose money. Rule number 1, do not lose money. Look at this Badger setup. I had somebody DM me and they're like, this setup sucked. And I'm like, are you serious? And then boom, 44% gains. Here you go. Listen, these falling wedges break out 2 ways, right? Look, they break out like moonshot or they rounded bottom, right? And then this resistance right here got broken and it freaking mooned 44%. Like if in 3 hours or a day or 2, you don't see freaking 44% gains, like that's the typical norm in crypto. Everybody comes into crypto because they want to get rich tomorrow. Well, you know what? It might take a little longer than that. When this market starts popping like it is right now, like these DeFi coins are the ones to watch. Right, you have to make the most of it. You have to make it count. Ethereum has been a beast. It's on fire. Like it hit all targets, right? Ethereum deflationary mechanism. What's Ethereum going to go to? Right? Are there going to be pullbacks along the way? Of course. This thing is going to be dragged around by Bitcoin, depending on what Bitcoin dominance is doing, right? Here's a couple setups for you. DIA. So you had a golden cross on higher time frames, USDT pairs. Right, we got down in this situation right here, this retest, right? You're going to have, the price action does not move moon mission, all right? But what we're trying to do is see this is a huge W pattern, right? This is an Oracle project. Link took off. Guess what? DIA is an Oracle project. We're looking for the move. So to get to this double bottom, you have to get to this level, right? So we're looking for this move here, right? Which is still solid gains. And then we're worried about some type of consolidation and a breakout here, right? But first, play these ranges. Trade this range for DIA. This is Burger. Most people haven't even probably heard of this. Burger Swap, DeFi. Breakout levels right here. Again, all these targets and breakout levels are marked over here in the white boxes, right? If you get a pullback down here, that's even better, right? Let the trades come to you. Let the trades come to you. But you get a breakout here, you're going to get significant upside quickly. TRB, I posted this and somebody's like, oh, it's already taken off. You're not going to nail these coins when they first start to reverse, right? We started buying the breakout of this bull flag, right? It's seen a good amount of upsides. Ran from $40, it's up about 11%. Okay, well, when it goes to $55 or $60, then did you really miss? You miss a few percent, right? Big deal. But the key is, this is a USDT pair, so when Bitcoin pulls back, this is too, and you're going to look to pick up on a pullback, and that's your best entry. But it takes, I mean, you have buying the move, buying red candles when everybody's like, oh crap, Bitcoin's pulling back. Everybody's like, doesn't even want to look at their phones. They don't even want to watch YouTube. The YouTube views are down. Bitcoin has a retracement of any kind, and everybody's like, I'm losing money. But that's where the money is made. The money is made on the pullbacks. But again, TRB, upside ideas are here. DTK, this thing is like this upsloping consolidation, right? If you get a pullback to support, right, that's good entry. Once your big move, you see this, like see how this is all open and this is all full, right? So here's where all your buy and sell orders are happening. And so because CTK got completely destroyed, wrecked, that means there's no, look at this. There's no order stacked right here. There's no sell order stacked right here. So it's going to be a quick move when it gets going, right? It's not like, hey, this is going to play out in an hour or 10 hours or 5 days. You don't really know, right? If it was a triangle, right, you know there's an apex. It's got to play out at a certain point. So look at audio, right? Audio. Look, we've got an apex, right? This is this falling wedge, right? 68% chance this breaks higher, right? It's going to run out of room at some point, and then you're going to get a move. I mean, potentially here's some resistance. Here's some more resistance. I mean, you see this level right here? Look, this reversed the trend. Like there's a bunch of sellers stacked right here. I mean, obviously first here, and it's going to be a tough break here, but this is going to form like this bullish pattern. When it breaks this level, that's where most of your upside is, because look, it's all open up here. Keep an eye on audio. This is not that difficult, just like driving. If you've never driven before, yeah, it's tough, but now people drive around, they're like coffee in one hand, phone in the other. Like once you learn the basics, like you'd be surprised how easy this can get. If you like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.